Welcome to Mine, Idiots and Cars, where ordinary roads turn into sudden battlegrounds of motion and mistake. Here, split-second choices collide with reality, reminding us how fragile control can be. Settle and steady your breath. The journey ahead carries weight.
Whoa! All right. Is everybody okay? Everybody okay?
Car crashed into a coffee shop entrance, narrowly missing a man who quickly moved aside. Urban areas require extra caution, slow down, and stay alert near roadside shops.
Тихо! Охуеть просто!
Car suddenly crossed into the path of a tanker truck in a T-bone situation, creating a dangerous impact risk. Large vehicles need more time to react, stay in lane, and avoid sudden moves. A dump truck suddenly changed lanes on Highway 1A and struck a Kia Morning, likely hidden in its blind spot, causing it to spin and overturn. Lane changes demand full visibility. Check mirrors and blind spots carefully. Caravan detached from a VW Touareg on A629, hitting a motorcycle, then collided head-on with a Dacia. Driver drifted into your lane while on the phone, causing a side impact that broke your wheel and hit the wall. Distraction is real danger. Stay focused and hands off the phone. Car entered a curve at high speed, lost control, and slipped off the lane into a steep drop. Curves demand slower speed, reduce throttle, and steer smoothly. Loose bungee straps caused the hauled car's hood to flip open while moving, creating a sudden hazard. Securing cargo is critical. Always check straps before driving. Dashcam shows a car carrier stacked too high, hitting an overpass under construction in Florida, damaging the structure. Oversized loads demand strict clearance checks. Measure height before moving.
Something related to new program
Hyundai Tucson overturned after a Camry's impact, landing upside down, but both drivers escaped with minor injuries. Even small bumps become dangerous at speed. Control your speed and stay alert. Pickup stalled on the road and was struck by a speeding semi-truck, causing severe damage and fire. Speeding reduces reaction time, slow down, and keep safe distance. Car braked hard to avoid the vehicle ahead, lost grip at high speed, and spun multiple times before stopping. Sudden braking at high speed is risky. Slow down early and keep safe distance.
What the Get that camera. Get that camera.
Fiat 500 was speeding and crossed into the opposite lane, striking oncoming vehicles.
Nee, wacht even. Wacht even tot we kijken wat er achter ons gebeurt. Eerst kijken wat er achter ons gebeurt. Blijf zitten, rustig blijven zitten. Eerst nog even kijken wat er gebeurt.
Woman ran a red light and hit your truck, lifting it off the ground. Red light violations create extreme danger. Obey signals and stay alert at intersections.
The fuck?
On I-40, a car hauler forgot his load and dragged an SXS under bridges, nearly losing it. Loose cargo is a roadway hazard. Secure all loads and check before driving. The 18-year-old driver recklessly overtook two public vehicles. One mistake could have been disastrous. Luck saved him this time, but next time choose patience. Every scene from MIN, Idiots in Cars, leaves a quiet echo of how quickly confidence can unravel when caution fades. Let these moments settle in and sharpen the way you move through your own lanes. Stay aware, stay grounded, stay human on the road, every mile deserving your respect. If this shifted your perspective, like, share and subscribe.